Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you are fine. So, today I'm here to teach you art and craft. So, just be ready with your stuff books, notebooks, pencil, eraser, everything. So, let's start the class. Okay, students, so today we are going to make this mask, which is given on page number 25, tribal mask. So, for this, you will keep all the stationery with you. All the stationaries are given here. See, first we will draw this type of shape and you will cut on the cardboard. This is the cardboard. I have already cut it, the shape. And after that, just keep the tissue paper, colors, brushes, and Fevicol. So first of all, just cut this shape on the cardboard, and after that, just color it with the help of red color. Okay, I have done the coloring. After that, just cut a piece like a triangle for nose and paste it here in the center like this. And also you will do the brown color on it. Okay, I have pasted. You will paste just below these edges. This nose you will paste just below these edges. Just do brown color, dark brown. So for dark brown you will mix in this brown a little bit black. Okay, if you are not having brown color, then you can make the brown color with the help of blue and red. And in this, just mix, add some yellow color also. So after brown, just do some shading with the help of black color. So you will get the dark brown. That's done. Now corner to corner, just fill black color. And some over here also. After that, we will make the eyes and the mouth with the help of tissue paper. So just take a tissue paper and make the roll like this. Twist your tissue paper and make the shape. First you will fold your paper like this and then twist. See. Just put some Fevicol. If you will put the Fevicol, then you can roll it easily. Okay, after that just stir according to the eyes and roll it. Make the eye shape like this from both the side. You will paste this eye shape. Done. Like this you will make the mouth and put the Fevicol and paste it below the nose. And after that, just do red color on it, and inside you will fill the black color. Just mix the water in the color so that you can do the coloring easily on the tissue paper. Okay, done black color inside the eyes and mouth. After that, just take yellow color and do detailings. Just put one line like this with the help of tissue paper. As we have made eyes and mouth like this, you will make one more and just make a this type of a round shape. You can do one thing if you are having tissue papers, so you can paste the tissue paper on this cardboard so that the other texture, plain texture, you will get. But if you are not, then you can do the directly color like this on the texture. You will get some texture design when you will make the detailings. So like this, just make the some designs which is given on the picture in the book like this. First just mark it, then fill. So students, design done from my side. You can make a design according to you as well. As I have made the dots here, it is given on the top only, but I have made here also above the eyes. So you can make the design, you can change the design according to you. So it's done from my side. So you will make with the help of cardboard. You can use a tissue paper. You can paste on the you can paste tissue paper on the cardboard, or you can do the coloring directly as I have done. So, student, hope you all have done this work. Thank you. We'll meet soon again. Have a nice day.